Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub, and guys, get ready. If you are running away from Ielts, if you don't feel like studying Ielts, if you can't pay attention to Ielts, or if you are escaping from Ielts, this video is for you. And if you are already preparing for Ielts, this video is for you as well. Listen to me, guys. Ielts is life changer. Ielts is going to change your life. It's just the same when someone gets married and his life changes. Positively or negatively, that is a different story. But your wife changes your life. In the same way, Ielts is going to change your life. Even Ielts can change your wife as well. Imagine local wife, local products, local children, okay? And imagine imported wife, imported products and imported babies. Imagine an English child, a Canadian child is calling you Papa or Mama. No, Papa is fine. Yeah, let's just stick to that. No, the point is, Ielts is challenging for many people. Why is it challenging? Because they don't follow the right direction. Why is it challenging? Because they don't follow the instructions. Why is it challenging? Because they are looking for a secret technique to take Ielts or to appear, to get the desired band without appearing in Ielts test. That is all not possible. If you are looking for shortcuts in your life, if you are willing to get things done in an unfair way, you will never get through in your life. You will never succeed in your life. Guarantee. 100%. When I started my Ielts teaching career, somebody contacted me from another city and they said, we sell listening and reading answer keys before exam, and we will charge you this much, and you can charge your students as much as you want to, and all that stuff. And they gave me this opportunity. You can earn a lot of money. That time I was making little money, rather very little money. But my integrity did not allow me to go for that. I refused them. Angrily, I refused them. I said, go to hell. You bad people, don't contact me again. Now, some of you must be thinking, sir, give us the number of that guy. He is in jail now. So if you want to be in jail, in captivity, I give you the number, he will call you there, right? Now, I had a choice whether I could be fair or I could be foul, I could play foul and all that, but I chose to be fair. With limited resources, with limited money, I chose to be fair, and now things are in front of you. Now you guys trust me. You guys have faith in me. You guys think that I'm good at teaching Ielts and all that. That's what you guys say. So the thing is, if you choose to cheat yourself today, you will never reach your dreams. You will never achieve anything in life tomorrow. You'll be just moving here and there. You will go astray. You will never reach anywhere. So the first thing is, don't look for anything secret, any secret tip, secret technique, or by paying money if you can get your Ielts done. There isn't any possibility so far. I'm telling you, no number 2 of Ielts at all. Okay? Those who tried, they are in jail now. So if you want to join them, go ahead and then you play football together. Okay? Sorry about that. Now, what to do? The first thing is you need to change your focus. You need to say, I believe in myself. I trust myself. And I know how to do all these things. Let me tell you, when we are born, when people are born, they don't know things. They learn. Even when you were born, right? And when you were a child, you didn't know how to wash yourself. And now you're good at that. I don't know, but maybe, yeah. So the thing is, we learn. If we can learn countless things after coming to this planet Earth, after getting birth, if we can do countless things, why not Ielts, guys? Why not Ielts? You guys speak language, the toughest part, right? So if you can speak one language, why can't you excel in another language? I speak Urdu. Why can't I? Urdu is a language. right? I speak Punjabi. Punjabi is a language. If I can speak these two languages, why can't I excel in English? And IELTS is all about English. So, change your focus. Improve your English. I would say English should be with you 24/7. Like, when someone is haunted, that evil spirit is inside that person 24/7. So you should be haunted by English, and English should be with you 24/7. You walk English, you talk English, you eat English, you sleep English, and all that. Once you're going to do this, then you will see English will be improved naturally. Your English will improve naturally. You don't have to put any effort. Just listen to English, read English, write English, speak English. Listening and reading will upgrade your English to a greater extent. So if you can speak one language, you can speak another language. And by the way, our languages like Urdu, Hindi, Bengali, Nepali, these languages are more complicated. Okay, I'm sorry if I missed your language or country, okay? African languages are very complicated, I know that. Okay, so if we can speak these languages, why not English, which is the simplest language? The beauty of English is it's the simplest language, okay? So, improve your English, right? And after that, pay attention to IELTS. Forget about all the negative thoughts. Forget about all the ways that I'll pay money and get my IELTS done. I'll pay this much amount and I'll get a certificate of 6 band. All BS. You know what BS means, okay? All BS, right? Now, after that, you should have good resources. I mean, my videos, believe you me guys, I have given my 200% in my videos. The students who come to my class, I teach them, I record those classes. My classes are paid classes, I record them and I present them to you. Here you go. So you don't need to go to any coaching center, right? You just need to stay home, buy Cambridge IELTS books 1 to 17, follow my instructions, watch my videos, and there is a long list of IELTS candidates who have achieved 6, 7, 8 or even 9 band by watching my videos merely. They did not go to any coaching center. They did not go anywhere at all. Their room, their laptop was their IELTS university. They just watched my videos and they just, did everything. One of my students, Ali Zaib, he is in Canada these days. So when he came to me, his level was 5 band. He wanted to go to Canada. His father supported him and now he is in Canada. The other day he sent me the selfie. So if that guy from 5 band, and he never gave up. He joined my classes for 1 month. I offer 4 weeks classes. He joined my classes for 1 month. Then he rejoined. Then again he rejoined. Then, third time he rejoined and I was going to say, because, I only allow the students to rejoin my classes once. If someone says second time, then I see if the person is serious, if he's working hard, then I allow them to rejoin my classes. Otherwise, I say, don't waste your money, just go somewhere and I can't help you anymore. Because if you are not getting any output from my class, why are you rejoining again and again? He rejoined my classes and now today he is in Canada. So, actually, you have to be stubborn. In order to achieve your goal, you have to be stubborn. Destination, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, England, or whatever, America. Destination that, and be stubborn. You should work hard. Now, be stubborn doesn't mean you don't work hard and you're stubborn. No, you should work hard, but be stubborn. I have to do IELTS. Now, that guy who is in Canada now, he became stubborn. After 1 attempt, when he didn't get his required band, he came to me. And I was a bit reluctant. He said, no, sir, I'll work hard. He joined my classes 2nd time. Then he joined my classes 3rd time. He appeared in IELTS test 3 times. And finally, he got his desired band. And now, all the toil and trouble, all the labor, he has forgotten already. Because he is in Canada. When you reach your destination, your pain changes into pleasure. I repeat, when you reach your destination, all the pain that you bore, it turns into pleasure. The more painful situations you bore in the past, the more pleasurable situations you enjoy in the future. And you know what I mean by more pleasurable situations. Life in Canada. See, it's dream. It's dream for many people. What is the next thing? That's it. One of the best countries, one of the best lifestyles and all that. So, well, I'm sorry. I'm sorry if I said anything wrong. But the thing is, we belong to countries which are developing countries. And I think it is still going to take ages for our countries to become developed. I know Africa. I know Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Nepal, relatively developing countries. Okay, don't take me badly, don't take me negatively. Don't just type and say that my country is not developing and this and that. Listen, if it isn't that, then why are you going to a foreign country? Why are you watching this video? Let's be honest, okay? I am your teacher. Don't take me as a Pakistani Ielts teacher. Take me as Ielts trainer. I am your Ielts trainer. I'm a global Ielts trainer. My identity is you. If you belong to India, you are my identity. If you are from Bangladesh, you are my identity. If you are from Africa, I am your African Ielts teacher. Okay? So be happy about it. Okay? So if we go to a foreign country, we can be very useful for our family. First of all, for ourselves. Secondly, for our family. Thirdly, for our community. And fourthly, for our country. Imagine if 100,000 people go from one country to another country and they send minimum $1,000 a month to support their family. 100,000 into 1,000, and then you can see the amount of foreign exchange they are going to send. Today I met a guy and he said to me proudly that you are doing a noble job. I said, what do you mean? He said, you are sending people out of their country. Relatively developing countries, and people are going out of their countries and they are going to send foreign exchange. That is going to bring prosperity for that family, for that country, for that region. So you are doing a noble job. And then I realized, yes, he is right. So guys, you can be the part of this noble job. You can be one of the components of this noble job, and once you reach your destination country, your country will prosper. Your family will prosper. Your people are going to prosper, and one day you will come back to your country with a great pride. All the best. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you want to be the part of my online or on campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub wholeheartedly wishes you best of luck. Destination, your desired country. Take care. Allah Hafiz.